Morning everyone. Let's continue grade 6 mathematics chapter 6 perimeter and area subtopic area. Learning objectives. After this session, learners will be able to analyze the area of irregular figures, estimate the area of a given figure by counting squares and triangles, determine the missing dimension of a given figure. Area of random shape. Look at the figures and guess which one of them has a larger area. These two pictures is random. To estimate the area, we can trace the shape onto a piece of paper and follow the below conventions. First one, the area of one full small square of the squared or graph is taken as a 1 square unit. Ignore portions of the area that are less than half square. If more than half a square in a region, just count as a 1 square unit. If exactly half the square is counted, take its area as a half square unit. Let us see this picture 1, figure A. If here we observe, this is fully 1 square. This is also 1. This is 0. This is 0. This is 0. This is more than half. So 1. This is less than half. So we can consider this as 0. Similarly like that. So if we estimate here 1, 1, 1, 4, 1, 5, 6. Therefore, this area is 6 square units. Similarly, we can do for this B also. As this area is greater than half of that one, we can consider as a 1, 1. Similarly, this one is a 1, 0, 0. This area is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. So upon estimating this one, we are going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this is finding the area of the random shape. Find the area of the following figures. First one, here, this is we are drawing this square forms, joining this one. This implies half of this is exactly half, so we are making as a half unit. Similarly here, this is a half unit. Other three are full squares. Therefore, area is equals to 3 plus 2 halves are there. So 2 into half square units. Nothing but area is equals to 3 plus 1 because 2 ones are here. This you can cancel. So 3 plus 1 is 4 square units. Similarly, second figure. Here we can count this number of square units as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, 6 halves are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, 6 plus 3, 9 square units. Next one, area is equals to 7 full units are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then half units are, there are 6 units are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 half units. Therefore, 7 plus 3, nothing but 10 square units. For the n, we have 8 full units and there are 6 half units are there because when we are writing it here like this. This area is equals to 11 square units. Let us see area of a triangle. Draw a rectangle on a piece of paper and draw one of its diagonals. Cut the rectangle along the diagonal and get two triangles. So we are drawing a diagonal and we are cutting that one and getting this two triangles. If we observe, there is a relationship between this area of this rectangle and the triangle we got. Both are equal. So area of a rectangle is equals to area of a triangle. Find the area of the triangles. Find the area of blue triangle BAD. Here, this blue triangle is with this BAD. First, we will find this shaded area and they will count this and estimate the area in this one. So in this blue triangle, how many full squares we have? We have 6 full squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, full square is equals to 6. Therefore, estimated area is equals to 6 into 1, 6. Which are this more than half square? There are 4 squares are there. So, 4 into 1 is 4. Exactly half square 0. So, 0 into 0, 0. Less than half square 1. So, 1 into 0 is 0. Therefore, area of this blue triangle BAD is equal to 6 plus 4 plus, that is equals to 10 square units. Similarly, find the area of red triangle ABE. So, we are going to see this triangle area, red triangle. In the red triangle, there are full 5 squares are there. 5 into 1 estimated area. More than half square is 5 into 1. There is a 5. Exactly half square is 0. So, 0 into 0. Less than half square is 1 into 0. So, therefore, area of the red triangle AB is equal to 5 plus 5, 10 square units. Area of a rectangle. If we consider A, B, C, D, all are there are 20 full square units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that, if we keep on counting, we will reach to this 20 here. Therefore, area of rectangle ABCD is 20 square units. If we observe area of rectangle ABCD, this area of triangle BAD, then we can conclude that area of triangle BAD is half of the area of rectangle ABCD. Figure it out. Question number 1, subsection A. Find the areas of the figure below by dividing them into rectangles and triangles. So, one full rectangle will consider as 1 unit. More than half means we are considering as a 1 unit. Exactly half is half we are considering, less than half 0 units. Solution. So, let us consider how many full squares. If we count it here, we are going to get as 20. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till here we will get as 20. And more than half there are 4 squares are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly half there are 0 count. Less than half square 4 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, total area is equals to 20 plus 4, 24. Therefore, area of the given figure is equals to 24 square units. Let us see, figure it out. 1, subsection B. Find the area of these figures below by dividing them into rectangles and triangles. Now, let us see how many full squares are there. If we count here, there are 25 full squares are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, if we keep on continuing, we will get this one by this, each 25. So, full squares are 25. More than half square are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the exactly half square there are 0 and less than half square 4. Then 25 into 1 is 25, 5 into 1 is 5, 0 into half is 0, 4 into 0 is 0. Then area of the given figure is 25 plus 5. So nothing but 30 square units. So thus area of the given figure is equals to 30 square units. Let us see, figure it out. 1C. Find the areas of the figures below by dividing them into rectangles and triangles. Solution. Full squares, if we count, there are 36 are there in this one. More than half square, here 8 are there. Exactly half square 2 are there. And less than half square 7 are there. So 36 into 1 is 36, 8 into 1 is 8 and 2 into half is 1, 7 into 0 is 0. Therefore, total area of the figure is equals to 36 plus 8 plus 1 square units. So, area of the given figure is equals to 45 square units. Figure it out. 1D. Find the areas of the figure below, dividing them into rectangles and triangles. So, here we can find this total number of full squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So therefore full squares are 13 are there. More than half squares are 3 are there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And exactly half square 0, and less than half squares there are 3 are there. 1, 2, 3. Thus 13 into 1 is 13, 3 into 1 is 3, 0 into half is 0, 3 into 0 is 0. So area of this given figure is 13 plus 3 square units. Nothing but area of the given figure is 16 square units. Let us see question number 1e. Find the areas of the figure below by dividing them into rectangles and triangles. Similar pattern will follow. So we'll find the how many number of full squares are there in the given figure. There are 5 are there. If we count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, more than half square there are 5 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exactly half square there are 4 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And less than half square there are 3 are there. Thus, area of the given figure is equals to 5 plus 5 plus 2. Nothing but 12 square units. Thus, area of the given figure is equals to 12 square units. Find out the missing dimensions and the area of Charan's home. This is the dimensions that are given. Here if we observe, this width is given as 30 feet. Then now we have to find out what are the missing dimensions here and area. If we observe, this is 15 as a length, 15 as a breadth. Generally, while notating this one, we will write it as a L into B. So first one will cast as a length horizontal and this breadth is a vertical line. So this means this is 15 feet. This master bedroom hall width is 15 feet. Solution. Here this is 15 feet. Next this is 5 feet as given as a length. Next this is a 15 feet because in the kitchen this is a 15. Thus this is 15. This breadth is 15 and this is 12 feet because area is 180 and L into B is 180 implies breadth is 180 divided by 15 will get 12 feet and this is 3 feet. The reason here is total is 30 feet but already 15 plus 12 is 27. So 30 minus 27 is 3 feet. Therefore this is 20 feet because 15 plus 5 feet 20. This is again 15 same as a utility length. Thus let us find utility dimensions are 15 to 5 feet. Therefore area is equal to here in this one is 45. In 3 is 45 square feet. Next 12 feet here, this is 3 feet. Small bedroom dimensions are 15 feet by 12 feet. So this is 12 feet. Therefore area is 180 square feet. Hall area. Hall we need to consider this as well as this area. So this we know is 12 feet as a length. So 12 into 20. Then this is 5 into 5. Therefore 265 we are going to get this is. Then garden dimensions. Garden dimensions is 20 feet as a length and 3 feet as a width. Therefore garden area is equals to 60 square feet. Next we observe this is 12 feet. Then parking dimensions are 15 feet by 3 feet. But area is equals to 45 square feet. Now let us add the total area of the house adding each room area. So first master bedroom area 225. Then toilet area is 50. Then utility area 45 square units. Then small bedroom is 180. Kitchen is 180. Hall is 265. Then garden area is 60. Parking area is 45. total adds up to 1050. We can easily verify it up. This is same as is equal to this area of this overall home, nothing but length into breadth. 35 into 13, because this length is 20 plus 15 gives us a 35. Now we know the length is a 35 and the width is 30, therefore which is equals to 1050. Let us see second question. Find out the missing dimensions and area of Sharan's home. This length is given as a 42 feet. From this we will find out what is this here. Area is, the master bedroom is 180 and the length is 12 feet. So this one is 12 feet here. This is 5 feet. This is 18 feet. Utility area, this width is 15 feet. Then small bedroom, this is 10 feet. Therefore area for this will become 12 feet by 10 feet, 120. This length is 12 feet. This hall dimensions, this is 23 feet and the utility this one is same as 10 feet. And entrance, this length is 7 feet and width is 15 feet. Therefore toilet dimensions here are 5 feet by 10 feet, because here we are considering this as a 70. 70 can be written as 7 into 10 here. The same dimensions do we have here for the width. Therefore 5 feet by 10 feet, area is equals to 50 square feet. Similarly utility are 7 feet into 10 feet. Area is equals to 70 square feet. Small bedroom dimensions are 12 feet into 15 feet. 12 feet into 15 feet. Area is equals to 120 square feet. Hall dimensions are 23 by 15. Area is equals to 345 square feet. Entrance area dimensions are 7 feet by 15 feet. The area is equals to L into B. So 7 into 15 is 105 square feet. Therefore total area of the house by adding each room is 180 plus 50 plus 180 plus 70 plus 120, 345 plus 105. Therefore total area of the house is equals to 1050. Total area of the house by using this length and this width, nothing but 42 into 25, because length is 42 feet and the width is 10 plus 15, 25 feet, which is 1050, matching this dimensions. Thank you.